Welcome guys. In this lecture I will explain how to insert and rename worksheets. Guys, first we'll see how to insert worksheets. Guys, by default each and every workbook have only one Excel worksheet. Okay, if you want to add another worksheet, see here we have option called plus icon. If you click on this plus icon, one more worksheet gets created. Now this sheet name is sheet 2. Okay, now same option is available in this Excel ribbon. If you click on this insert, see we have option called insert a sheet. See, select this option, same one more worksheet gets created. Okay, so like this we can insert worksheets in Excel worksheet. If you want to rename these worksheets, just double click on this. See, whole name gets selected, right? Just press backspace, then you can give any name as per your requirement. Okay, see, again double click, whole name gets selected, just press backspace, then give as per your requirement. Okay, so like this we can insert and rename worksheets in Excel. Guys, already we are seen in previous lecture using this file tab. Go to options. See, here also we can set worksheets. If you want to open, let's suppose 100 worksheet at a time, we can set as a 100 directly. 100 worksheet is open in each Excel workbook. Okay, so these are the different options available to insert in worksheet in each Excel workbook. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.